Very happy morning to all.
Happy morning, sir.
So we are doing the ICAI illustrations of standard costing. In that illustration number 1 is the target. The standard and actual figures of product Z are as under. Product Z தயாரிக்க போறீங்க. Product Z is a finished goods. அப்ப அதோட ஸ்டாண்டர்டும் ஆக்சுவலும் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. கரெக்ட்டா? Material quantity standard 50 units. 1 unit of finished goods தயாரிக்க 50 units of raw material தேவைப்படுது. 1 unit of finished goods தயாரிக்க 50 units of raw material தேவைப்படுது. அப்போ 50 units of raw material is equal to 1 finished goods. Right? But actually I have used only 45 units. That means material usage variance is favorable. Material usage variance. Because instead of using ethana unit 50 units, I have used only 45 units. That means I have used less number of unit. That means material usage variance is favorable. Material price variance, I have to buy at 1 rupees. That's my standard price. But I have bought only at 0.8 rupees. That means my material price variance is also favorable. Since my material usage variance and price variance are favorable, automatically my material cost variance will be favorable. Calculate material cost variances is the question. It's a 3-column approach, right? Yes, standard quantity into standard price, actual quantity into standard price, actual quantity into actual price. This single raw material product ங்கிறதுனால revised actual quantity column வர வேண்டிய. So it's not a 4-column approach, it's a 3-column approach. What is the column number 1? Standard quantity into standard price, actual quantity into standard price, actual quantity into actual price. Here the main important thing you should understand is actually I am calculating the variance for 1 finished goods. How finished good? 1 finished goods. Just for 1 unit of finished goods we are solving the sum, right? Yes, sir. What is the standard quantity? How many units? 50 units. Into what is the standard price? 1. So 50 into 1, 50 rupees is the standard cost. Whereas actual quantity is only how many units? Into standard price 1, 45 rupees is the actual quantity into standard price. Comfortable? Yes, sir. Actual quantity into actual price. What is the actual quantity? 45 units. What is the actual price? 0.8. So 45 into 0.8 comes to 36 is the actual quantity into. So 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 3. 1 minus 2 material usage variance. 2 minus 3 material price variance. 1 minus 3 material cost variance. So 50 minus 45, 45 minus 36, 50 minus 36, right? Yes, sir. So 50 minus 45 means 5 rupees favorable, right? Yes, sir. Sir, 45 minus 36, 9 rupees. Favorable. 50 minus 36 comes to 14 rupees. Favorable. You just tell me, in order to manufacture 1 finished goods, you should have used how many units? 50 units. But actually you have used only 45 units. That means you have saved 5 units. Into what is the standard price per unit? 1. So 5 into 1. 5. That's why material usage variance is 5 favorable. Comfortable? Now don't talk about standard. Come to the actual. Actually I have used 45 units. Actually I would have purchased that 45 units at 1 rupee. Yes, so 45 into 1, 45 rupees I should have incurred. Yes, but I have not incurred 1 rupee. I have incurred only 80 paise. Yes, that means I have saved 20 paise. Yes, I have saved 20 paise. Yes, so 45 into 20 paise or 20% comes to how much? 9. That's why material price variance is 9 rupees favorable. Comfortable? Sir, material cost variance is nothing but material usage variance plus material. That's what material. Since both are in favorable front, sir, put together we will get a material cost variance favorable, which is 5 plus 9 comes to 14. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
So the crux of question number 1, we are calculating the variance for one finished goods. We are calculating the variance for
one finished goods.
That is what you are supposed to understand from the question. After reading the question, you should not feel that the question is incomplete. Question is complete, but that is with regard to one finished goods. I am moving into illustration number 2. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
I hope that you are comfortable with illustration number 2.
Yes,
Super, sir. NXC manufacturing concern furnishes the following information. Standard has been given and actual has been given. Standard material for 70 kg and goods. Etana kg? That means if you put how much kg? 100 kg, you will get 70 kg as output. That means 30 kg is the normal loss. If you put 100 kg, 30 kg will be swaha. Output will be 70 kg. Right. Price of material, since it has been given below standard, that means it is standard price. How much per kg? 1 rupees per kg. Actual output, our hero came 2,10,000 kg. அப்போ உண்மையிலேயே 2,10,000 kg வெளியே வந்திருக்கு. 2,10,000 kg வெளியே வந்திருக்குனா that will be 70%. That will be 70%. So what should have been my input is the question. That's what standard quantity. That's what standard quantity. So if 100 kg pota 70 kg வெளியே வரும். So this 2,10,000 kg is equal to 70 kg. Right? So my question is, what should be the 100 kg? Hello, sir?
Yes, sir.
So 2,10,000 divided by 70 into 100 comes to etana kg? 3 lakhs kg is the standard quantity. Is the
standard quantity.
Because you can apply, if it is 3 lakh, you tell me 3 lakh into 30%. So if you put 3 lakh kg, 90,000 kg will be swaha.
Yes, sir.
3 lakh minus 90, 2,10,000 kg, it is exactly matching.
Yes,
Are you all really with me?
Yes, sir.
My reverse working are exactly matching.
Yes, sir.
So my standard quantity, if I get 2,10,000 kg, the ideal quantity I should have put should be 3 lakh kg. இந்த உலகத்துல யார் தயாரிச்சாலும் 3 lakh kg போட்டு தயாரிக்கணும். Hello, sir?
Yes, sir.
But look at the question, man. Material used is only 2 lakh. Brilliant, fantastic. In place of 3 lakhs kg, we have used to only 2,80,000 kg. That means here itself we can finalize that material usage variance should be favorable. Instead of using etana kg, we have used only. That means there is a savings of 20,000. What is the standard price per kg? That means 20,000 into 1. 20,000 should be the material usage variance favorable. Are you comfortable? Comfortable with the explanation? Look at the remaining part of the question. Cost of material is 2 lakh. Sir, I have spent 2,52,000 for 2,80,000 kg. Clear?
Yes,
so 2,52,000 divided by 2,80,000 comes to 0.9 per kg. Brilliant.
Yes, sir.
The standard price is 1 per kg, but the actual price is 0.9 per kg. Actual price is less than the standard price. That means material price variance is again favorable.
Yes, sir.
That means I would have saved 10 paise per kg. I would have saved that 10 paise on the standard quantity or actual quantity. Concept clear?
Yes, sir.
That means 2,80,000 into 0.1 comes to 28,000 should be the material price variance favorable. I have not done anything. Just reading the question, I am getting the answer because of the analysis we are having. This is what conceptual clarity in costing means. Should not study by heart. You should study costing only with the conceptual clarity. Are you able to enjoy?
Yes, sir.
Well and good. All the very best. Brilliant, sir. Then material cost variance is very simple. Material usage variance and material. Since both are favorable, ultimately cost variance will be brilliant, sir. Cost of material, material usage variance, material price variance and material cost variance. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we are converting that into the answer format. My dear lovable students, first we have to calculate the standard quantity. First we have to calculate the standard quantity. Standard quantity எப்படி interpret பண்ணனும்னா அந்த பாயிண்ட்ல யாராவது தப்பு பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னா I will explain that. 100 kg நீங்க போட்டீங்கன்னா 70 kg வெளியே வரும். உண்மையிலேயே எனக்கு 2,10,000 kg actual output-ஆ வெளியே வந்திருக்கு. அப்படினா நான் எவ்வளவு போடணும்ங்கிறது தான் கிளாரிட்டியா? அப்படினா எவ்வளவு நான் போடணும்ங்கிறது தான் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட். So this 2,10,000 kg will be treated as 70%. அப்ப 2,10,000 divided by 70 into 100, 3,00,000 kg is the comfortable.
Yes, sir.
We know that. Is it a single raw material product or multiple raw material? It is not a 4-column approach. It is a 3-column approach. What are the 3 columns? Standard quantity into standard price, actual quantity into standard price, actual quantity into actual price. Right?
Yes, sir.
இங்க standard quantity நம்ம divide பண்ணி reverse workingல calculate பண்ணதுனால actual output into standard consumption formula க்கு போக வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. I know the standard quantity as 3,00,000 kg into what is the standard price. That means 3,00,000 rupees is the standard cost. 3,00,000 rupees is the
Standard cost.
Instead of 3,00,000 kg, I have not used 3,00,000 kg. I have used only. That means actual quantity is 2,80,000 kg. Into 1 is the standard price. So that means 2,80,000 is the column number 2. Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Whereas for that 2,80,000 kg, I have not paid 1 rupee per kg. I have paid only 90 paise per kg. That means 2,80,000 into 90 paise comes to 2,50,000. So consumption also favorable, price also favorable. My production manager performed very well. My purchase manager also performed very, very well. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means ultimately my material cost variance plays a favorable role. So 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 3. 1 minus 2 is material, which is 3,00,000 minus 2,80,000 comes to 20,000. 2 minus 3 material price variance 2,80,000 minus 2,52,000 28,000. Material cost variance 3,00,000 minus 2,52,000 48,000, which is nothing but 20 plus 28,000 comes to 48,000. Are you all comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm with you from your heart. Anybody is there? Where is the grand clap? Moving to the last question for the day, which is illustration number 3. The standard cost of chemical mixture is as follows. 40% of material A at 20 per kg. This is a standard mix. This is the standard mix. What is the standard mix? 40, 60. This is a standard price 20, 30. A standard loss of 10% of input. So they are expressing the standard loss on input. We know that there are 2 ways in which they can express.
Yes, sir.
Either on input or on output. Is expected in what? Production. The cost records for a period show the following usage. That means this is the actual 90 kg and 120 kg. That means they have given the actual mix at a cost of 18 and 34. That means actual price. The quantity produced was kitna kg? That's a hero. 182 kg of good product. That means good units. So if I put 100 kg, 10 kg will be normal loss. I will get only 90 kg as output. My real output is etana kg? 182 kg. So 182 divided by 90 into 100 means 202.22 kg should be the standard quantity of both the raw material. That I have to classify that into standard mix. Then only I will get the standard quantity. What a clarity, correct? Calculate material usage variance, material price variance and material cost variance. Brilliant to the core. So computation of standard quantity. We are going to compute the standard quantity. Total input. Nee 100% 100 units ulla potena normal loss etana poi? Quantity produced evlo veliye varum? Hello? That means, sir, நான் 100 units உள்ள போட்டிருக்கேன்னா 10 units போய் remaining 182 kg வெளியே வந்திருக்கு. That means that 182 kg is 90%. If 182 kg is 90%, what should be the? So the total input or the standard quantity, whatever it may be, should be 182 divided by 90 into 100 comes to 202.22 kg. This comprises of both material A and material B. Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
So computation of standard quantity for material A and material B. This should be in the NM mix. In a standard quantity nale NM mix la da irukum. Appa standard quantity is equal to 202.22 kg. இதோட 40% material யாரா இருக்கும் and 60% material which comes to 202.22222222 போட்டேனா you will get 80.88 kg and here 121.33 kg. Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
So what is the first column? Standard quantity into standard price. Have you all understood how to find out the standard quantity? Take the actual quantity, that will be etana percent? Divided by 90 into 100, you will get 202. When we solve the answer, once the point comes, we will be having a doubt that whether my answer is wrong or not. It is correct only. Don't worry. Don't worry. The second column, man, revised actual quantity into standard price. So take the what quantity? So the actual quantity is given in the question as 90 kg and 110 kg. 90 kg and 110 kg. Total comes to? This 200 kg is in actual mix. I want in comfortable?
Yes, sir.
That means 200 into 40% comes to? And 200 into 60% comes to? Second column also we have done.
Yes,
very simple, man. This is a multiple raw material product.
Yes, sir.
4 column will come.
Yes, sir.
First column, standard quantity into standard price, revised actual quantity into standard price, actual quantity into standard price, actual quantity into actual price. Right?
Yes, sir.
We are having two raw material A and raw material B. Right?
Yes, sir.
Raw material A standard quantity 80.88 into what is the standard price? 20. So into 20 will be 1617.77. Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
The next one, sir, what is the standard quantity of B? 121.33 into what is the standard price? So total put together 3639.99 plus 1617.77 comes to 5257.78. 5257.78 is the standard cost. Is the
Standard cost.
fine, fantastic. Next one, revised in a quantity. You tell me 80 kg and 120 kg is the revised actual quantity.
Yes, sir.
Into 20 and 30 is the 80 into 20,000 and 120 into 30 3,000. Total comes to 5,200. Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
They themselves given the actual quantity 90 kg and 110 kg. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Standard price is 20 and 30. 90 into 20. 110 into 30. Total comes to 5,100. Very comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Actual quantity is 90 and 110. They themselves given 18 and 34 is the actual price. 90 into 18, 1620. 110 into 34, total comes to 5360. Shall we prepare the variance table?
Yes, sir.
Which is, sir, can you say the numbers? 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 4. What is 1 minus 2? Material yield variance. 2 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 4. 5257.77 or 78 minus 5200 comes to 57.78 favorable. 5200 minus 5100, 100 favorable. Sir, 5257.77 minus 5100 comes to 157.78 favorable. Comfortable. 5100 minus 5360, that means 260 adverse. And the last one, 5257.78 minus 5300 will give you 102.22 adverse. That's the last one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That means 1 minus 2 will give us material. 2 minus 3, mixed variance. 1 minus 3, 3 minus 4, and 1 minus 4. I hope that you are very much comfortable with the material variances. With this we have tried question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Hello sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we'll be trying question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. If anyone goes wrong in this 3 questions, redo those questions. Hello sir.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise try the next 3 questions and we'll be meeting at the appropriate time. Till that, thank you and bye bye from ANM.